The problem is the head fell off. The head, I think, weighs around 60 pounds, give or take. The way it's broken is kind of flat, so the head, if something goes wrong, it could spin, and we don't want that. I was able to fit the head on 2 pins instead of 1. Using this big thing back behind me, we had to purchase, it's called a gantry crane. The gantry let me do all those fine little movements and sort of set up the whole process. Going through all the history, what I learned is this was something that was respected and cherished. And any damage done to it was something that they really wanted repaired and wanted her whole. An alumni from Wells, she said that the sculpture to her personally was a friend she could always talk to going home at the end of the day or being out for the night and just feeling safe and secure, and seeing her there lit up at Wells was something important to them. As someone who didn't know much about her, it's meant a lot to me. Learning as I went along really was helpful in treating her with the respect I think that she deserved. And she still is a really inspirational figure and just good vibes for, I think, anyone to come in contact with. I leave here happy knowing that she's going to be in a good place and has a nice long life ahead of her, and hopefully can inspire others, because it seems to me that's definitely the most important part about the whole sculpture.